Everyone thinks the best-selling remote control shark is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Benel Remote Control Shark. First up is the Benel 2.4 GHz Remote Control Shark, which stands out for its lifelike design and fun features. Priced at $32.99, it's a hit with kids age 6 and up. If you want a remote control shark that really performs in the water, this is worth a serious look. The dual motors and flexible mechanical tail joints allow it to swim smoothly, mimicking real shark movements. Plus, the added water spray function is a blast during evening playtime. With a wireless range of 110 feet, kids can control it from a good distance without worrying about interference from other remotes. This is why it's so popular, with a solid rating of 4.2 stars from nearly 800 reviews. Now, some users mentioned that the remote control requires 2 AA batteries, which aren't included. Here's the thing though, this isn't a deal breaker since most households have spare batteries lying around, and the fun it brings definitely outweighs this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have kids who love aquatic adventures. Skip this one if your child prefers more stationary toys. It's a solid value for money, considering the quality and entertainment it provides. Now, if the battery issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Benel Remote Control Whale Shark. Next, we have the Benel 2.4 GHz Remote Control Whale Shark, also priced at $32.99 and designed for kids age 6 and above. This one caught my eye for its realistic design and fun water features. If you want something that stands out in the pool, you should definitely check this one out. Like its shark counterpart, this whale shark features dual motors for smooth swimming and a water spray function that amps up the excitement during playtime. The remote operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, which means no interference, allowing multiple kids to play together. With a similar 110-foot range, kids can really enjoy controlling it from a distance, and it has also earned a 4.2-star rating from about 800 reviews. However, some parents mentioned that the remote control can be a bit tricky for younger kids to handle due to its button layout. But honestly, once they get the hang of it, the fun is worth the learning curve, and it's designed to grow with them. This is perfect for kids who crave interactive play in the pool. Skip it if you're looking for something that works well on land. It offers great playtime value with all its features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for kids who need something a bit simpler in design. Product number 3, Watudu Remote Control Shark. Now let's talk about the Watudu Remote Control Shark, which is another exciting option priced at $32.99. This one really appealed to me because of its vibrant design and engaging functions. If you want a shark that really interacts well during play, this is worth considering. This model packs in dual motors and flexible joints, just like the others, ensuring it swims realistically in water. The additional water spray feature makes it even more fun, and the remote has an impressive 110-foot range with a user-friendly button layout. With a 4.3-star rating from 260 reviews, it's clearly loved for its ease of use. But here's the catch. Some users reported issues with battery life, stating it could drain quickly during long play sessions. I'll be real with you, this can be a downside, especially for kids who want extended playtime, but having 2 rechargeable batteries helps mitigate this issue. This is perfect for younger kids who enjoy interactive water play. Skip it if you need something that can last a whole day without needing a recharge. It's definitely a fun and engaging choice for the price. Now, if battery life worries you, the next option gives you a different take on remote control sharks. Product number 4, Benel Remote Control Whale Shark Toy. Next up is another Benel product, the 2.4 GHz Remote Control Whale Shark Toy, also priced at $32.99. This model maintains a lifelike appearance and creativity-focused design. If you want a unique play experience, this one is definitely worth a look. This whale shark shares similar features with its siblings, dual motors, and a flexible tail for swimming, plus a water spray function. It boasts a wireless range of 110 feet, allowing kids to control it from a distance. Despite being a similar design, It has a solid reputation with a 4.2-star rating based on numerous reviews. This matters because it shows consistency in quality and user satisfaction. However, some parents did find the manual somewhat lacking in detail, which can make setup slightly confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get past the initial setup, the fun it provides absolutely makes up for it. This is perfect for kids who love imaginative playtime in water. Skip this one if you need a straightforward setup right out of the box. It's still a great deal for its price and playtime value. Alright, that brings us to the last product, which might just hit the spot for those looking for something a bit different. Product number 5, Terra by Bathat RC Shark. Finally, we have the Terra by Bathat RC Shark, priced at $21.99. This one is designed for kids aged 5 and up and offers a slightly different experience. If you want an easier-to-use remote control shark, this might be the one for you. The Terra Shark is designed to glide smoothly through water, offering a super fun experience without too many complex controls. It has a simple remote that makes it easy for younger kids to master. The durable construction means it can handle plenty of pool time, and the realistic details make it visually appealing. With a 4.3-star rating from around 284 reviews, it's definitely a solid choice for younger kids. One downside some parents mentioned is that it might not maneuver as well as other models during fast-paced play. But honestly, it's perfect for younger kids who might be overwhelmed by more advanced features. This is perfect for kids who are just starting with remote control toys. Skip this one if your child is ready for more advanced controls. It offers excellent value for the price and is a great introduction to remote control fun. So, to wrap it up, we've looked at the Benel Remote Control Shark and Whale Shark, both fantastic for realistic play. The Watutu Shark is great if you want something a bit more vibrant, while the second Benel Whale offers consistency. Finally, the Terra by Bathat is perfect for younger kids just starting out. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down what your child prefers.